question, consider the Boolean function z, which is a function of a, b, c, and the logic diagram is given for that z. We have to find which of the following minterm list represent the circuit given above. So we have to find the list of minterms involved in this function z. Okay, so first we have to find the expression of z. Here we have NOT gate, so b, here you get b dash. This is AND gate. One of the input is b dash, another input is c, so you get b dash c here. Okay, so this is OR gate, and one of the input is a, another input is b dash c, so z is equal to a plus b dash c. Okay, z is equal to a plus b dash c. So next you have to find the minterms involved in this expression. So I will tell you the simple way. Here it is a 3 variable function, so first draw the 3 variable K-map. It is an easy method to find the minterms. So it is a 3 variable K-map. Okay, ABC. So A, B, C. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and here 0, 1. Okay, so the function involves A. So A means A is equal to 1. So in this K-map, A is equal to 1 means that is in the second row. So you have to put 1 in those rows. Okay, so next one is B dash C. So B dash C, this is this is B dash C, right? B value is 0, C value is 1. So this is B dash C, that is second column. So put 1 on those columns. So that's all. Z is mapped in K-map. Now look at this. From this you can find the minterms. Okay, so we know that this is 0, 1, 2, 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7. So the involved minterms are, this is 1, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Z is a function of the minterms 1, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, that is option B. So it is a simple method to find the minterms. Okay. So next one. The output expression for Karnaugh map shown below is what? So Karnaugh map. So already the function is mapped in this K-map. You have to find the simplified expression of that function. Okay. Try to make a larger group. First try for octet. So here in second and third row we have ones which is adjacent to each other. So we can combine these two rows and we can form a octet. Okay. So this is octet group 1. Next you have to write the expression for this group, that is product term for this group, by combining the terms, otherwise the literals which is unchanged in this group. So here the unchanged variable is yes, which is 1. So the corresponding Boolean term for this octet is yes. Next 2 more, 1 is there. Okay, so we can make a pair by combining this 2 ones, or we can make a quad by combining this 4 ones. Actually we should go for a larger group, so I am choosing this quad. Okay, so next we have to find the Boolean term for this quad. For that you have to check the unchanged literal. Here in this 2 row, R is unchanged, which is equal to 0, so that is R dash, and this 2 columns, Q is unchanged and the value is 1, so that is Q. Okay, the value is 0 means you have to take as a complemented form. 1 means you have to take as a natural form. So Q R dash. So the answer is S plus Q R dash. S plus Q R dash. That is in option D. Option D is the correct one. Question is, a minimized form of the function f is what? Actually the function is mapped in the K-map and we have to find the minimized expression for this f. Okay, so there is 4 ones. We can get a minimized expression by combining these ones. First look for a larger group. Here it is not possible to make a quad or octet, so we can go for pair, and these 2 ones are adjacent, so definitely we can combine these 2 ones. Okay, this is first group, and remaining there is 2 ones, so it is also adjacent to each other, so we can make a group by combining these 2 ones. Okay, it is simple. Do not combine these 2 ones again, because if you are combining these two ones means these two ones are already in another group, and here we are forming a group with one which is already in another group, so it becomes a redundant group, so do not form this group. Okay, this two pair is enough to form, otherwise to get a minimized Boolean expression. Next one is you have to write the Boolean term or product term for each group. You are taking this group, here the unchanged literal is y and z, because in y and z is common or unchanged throughout this column, and y value is 1, z value is 1, so the corresponding term is yz. And if you are taking this group, x is unchanged 1, so the value is x bar, because x value is 0, so the product term corresponding to this group is x dash. And if you are looking this two column, y is unchanged, that is 0 0, so y dash. Okay, so for this group the corresponding term is x dash y dash, and for this group y z, so f is equal to y z plus x dash y dash. That is option A and option B is same. Okay, so this is the correct answer.